Dwi'n teimlo da ni wedi cael tymor gret gan un gêm arall ar ôl.
Leo Smith yn mynd am y gol! Gol gampus gan Leo Smith.
Da ni bron yna.
I come in last year and we were already out of the MG and we won the other two, so it'd be really nice to compete the treble this year.
Marshall yn llwyddo gael cwestiwn fewn law, Danny Williams. Ar ergyd yn wych at y gornel ucha.
When we played them here at the start of the season, I thought they pressed really well. And they play a diamond, which sometimes can be difficult in midfield. Hopefully, we can do what we've done against them in the league already. It was a good feeling last year. I'm sure we all really enjoyed the day and the night. So, yeah, hopefully we can do that again this year.
Domestically, we're obviously doing really well. Trying to maintain that unbeaten record leading into the game on Sunday. People are fighting for places, so I'm sure we'll be at it Sunday as well. TNS have obviously had some top teams that, in the past that haven't managed to, to stay unbeaten. So if this group can do it, then obviously we'll look at that and we'll find it quite special.
Mae'n teimlo gret. Dwi'n meddwl tro gyntaf i fi allu cael y trebl ers dod yma. Da ni wedi bod allan yn y Cwpan MG reit rhian. 2-3 tymor dwytha. Da ni eisiau gwneud siŵr rwan, da ni'n gorffan y tymor yn gry.
Cen campwyr uwch gyngor Cymru ydy y Seintiau Newydd.
Dwi'n meddwl mae unrhyw peldroedwyr eisiau gwneud siŵr bod nhw'n curo troffis, gwneud siŵr bod nhw yn cael medal neu be bynnag. So, dwi'n teimlo fatha, dio'r os pa ffeinal ydi o. Da ni eisiau gwneud siŵr da ni yn y ffeinal, gwneud siŵr da ni yn perfformio ar y dydd, gwneud siŵr da ni yn gallu ennill y gêm.